Hey, how y'all doing this morning? This is Robin with Task Force Contractors, Master Electrician, Electrical Inspector. And I just wanted to show you guys in this short video. This is what we call knob and tubing. This is your knob. This one here, these are your knobs. And then the wire goes through these tubes. That's why it's called knob and tubing. If you see this in your home, anywhere, and you can see it, it has to come out. It's a very old system. Wiring that they did years ago. Your inspector will tell you have to have it removed. So please do not play Russian roulette with your family by trying to keep this old wiring in, trying to save it, trying to say I don't want to get my place rewired. You are playing Russian roulette with your family and your home if you think it's safe to keep this wiring system in your home. It's not. So if you never was told, never said you saw it before, here it is. Here it is. Okay? Here's your girl, Robin Tasco. Trying to keep you informed. Trying to keep you informed on what it looks like. Okay? This is the kitchen being torn out. And it exposed all of this old wiring. Okay? So, until the next time, I bid you peace.